What's going on, guys, and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, we are going to dive into a detailed comparison between two popular financial management tools, Copilot and Rocket Money. Whether you're looking to streamline your budget or manage your investments, these platforms claim to have you covered. Let's explore their features, benefits, and drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. First up, let's get an overview of both Copilot and Rocket Money. Copilot is a comprehensive financial management tool designed to simplify your financial life. It offers features like expense tracking, budgeting, investment management, and more. With its user-friendly interface, Copilot aims to empower users to take control of their finances effortlessly. On the other hand, Rocket Money positions itself as an all-in-one financial solution, combining budgeting, savings, and investment features. It prides itself on providing personalized financial advice to help users achieve their financial goals. Let's now explore the features of each platform. Starting with Copilot, here are 5 standout features. Expense tracking. Copilot offers real-time expense tracking, categorizing your spending to provide insights into your financial habits. Budgeting tools. Copilot helps you create and stick to a budget, offering customizable categories and goal-setting features. Investment management. With Copilot, you can monitor your investments, track performance, and receive insights to make informed decisions. Bill reminders. Copilot sends timely reminders for upcoming bills, ensuring you never miss a payment and avoid late fees. Security. Copilot prioritizes user security, employing encryption and multi-factor authentication to safeguard your financial data. Now let's take a look at Rocket Money and its key features. Goal-based savings. Rocket Money encourages goal-based savings, helping users set and achieve financial objectives, whether it's an emergency fund or a vacation fund. Investment recommendations. Rocket Money analyzes your financial profile to provide personalized investment recommendations, making it easier for users to grow their wealth. Spending insights. Rocket Money offers detailed insights into your spending patterns, helping you identify areas for improvement and optimize your budget. Automated savings. The platform allows you to automate your savings, making it effortless to consistently put money aside towards your financial goals. User-friendly interface. Rocket Money prides itself on a user-friendly interface, making financial management accessible to users of all levels of financial literacy. Now that we talked about the highlights, let's discuss about the drawbacks. Let's start with Copilot. Limited investment options. While Copilot provides investment tracking, the platform's investment options might be limited compared to dedicated investment platforms. Subscription cost. Copilot may have a subscription cost, which could be a factor for budget-conscious users seeking free financial tools. Learning curve. Some users may find the initial learning curve challenging, especially if they are new to comprehensive financial management tools. Now let's take a look at Rocket Money. Limited budgeting features. Rocket Money's budgeting tools might be less robust compared to specialized budgeting platforms. Privacy concerns. As Rocket Money analyzes personal financial data to provide recommendations, some users may have privacy concerns regarding the handling of sensitive information. Relatively new platform. Being a new player in the financial management space, Rocket Money may have a smaller user base compared to more established competitors. And there you have it, a detailed comparison of Copilot and Rocket Money. Remember, the right choice depends on your specific financial needs and preference. Be sure to explore each platform thoroughly before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.